video, tayo ng aking gift. So this is my birthday gift, guys, for myself. Yeah. It's a JBL. How to pronounce that, guys? I don't know na. It's a powerful bass boat, guys. This is for the party. It's a Bluetooth, guys. So anyway, guys, gusto ko talaga to para makakanta dito sa bahay. Pero may microphone naman kami doon, guys, dati sa isang room. So gagamitin ko to dito, guys, sa isa naming TV sa sala. So kaya ako nakapag-decide na magbili dito. Actually, sa aming bedroom, mayroon na kaming ano doon. What's this? So before tayo mag-unboxing, guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung isa naming TV na nabili namin last month. See, this is the one. Yeah, yung hindi ko to na-unboxing, guys, kasi sila ang nag-o-open ito. At saka free na to paglagay dito sa sa amin from Amazon. So yun yung Xiaomi. Yeah. But actually, na-upload ko to sa short video ko. Yes. So, sorry nga, hindi ko yan na-unboxing. So, dito, guys, mayroon akong microphone dito na isa. Ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Pero hindi katulad dito sa JBL ko, guys. Kasi si Madam Berna mayroong ganito. Kaya naisipan ko din magbili. Kasi bit na bit ko talaga yung sounds. Yung mga echo. Basta yung voice mo na pangit, gagaling, gaganda. So, tama na yung mga chika-chika, guys, at mag-unboxing na tayo. I'm so excited. Actually, parang maganda pag dito ko to ilagay. So, guys, si Kitty Pie nasa office pa, kaya ano ako dito? It's a solo flight. Solo flight. So, ako lang talaga ang mag-unboxing ngayon, guys, no? So, let's check this one, guys. Pero si Kitty Pie ang mag-assemble nito, guys. Ay, hindi mag-assemble. Magkukonik pala sa aming TV. Kasi wala talaga akong alam sa mga ganito. So, mamayang gabi, bibinyagan na natin ito, guys, no? Actually, gusto ko sana yung dalawang microphone, pero wala sila. Siguro bumibili lang ng extra. Yes. O, di ba, guys? O, ito, guys. See, this is me. So, i-open lang natin ito, guys, para tayo'y matapos. Aba, ito na naman tayo. Diyos ko, good luck sa akin. Grabe. Paano ba ito i-open? Hindi ko na to alam paano i-open, guys. Kasi yung phone niya, grabe ang titigas. Aba, ito lang pala yung microphone. So guys, so this is the microphone. I see. Wow. This is the microphone, guys. See? Amoy JBL pa talaga. Yes! Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. Kakakanta na naman sa Daily Studio. But sorry guys, hindi talaga ako kanta sa aking live. Aking live ko is only paangat. Pero I'm free to pakanta sa iba. Kasi yun na talaga ang nasanayan ko din, guys. So may free pa sila, guys, na battery, o diba? So ito yung battery. And of course, I think this is a guide how to do this one. Is a quick start guide. So at least, guys, may palibre silang battery. O diba? So ito yung plug, of course. And then, tatanggalin na natin to. This cord, good luck. Parang hindi ko nito mag-open, guys, mag-isa. Parang kailangan ko si Kitty Pie nito. Kasi ano siya eh, mabigat, mahirap. Kasi kanina hindi ko na-proceed, di ba? Kasi nahirapan ako mag-isa. So now Kitty Pie is here, so let's proceed to do unboxing. So ganunin na pala ito, guys. Sabi ni Kitty Pie is only simple like that. See? Technique, Kitty Pie. See? Oh my God. So yung microphone, guys, napakita ko na sa inyo kanina, diba? So yung microphone, napakita ko na. I saw them na already. So this is it, guys. Oh my God. So, kahit saan, pwede ko na itong gagawin. O diba? I'm ready for the party! price is so heavy.
Price is very heavy.
The price is so heavy, guys. Because maybe of the brand, right? Quality also is good, guys. So let's see. Let's check it out, guys. What is the quality of this? Maybe my voice become nice. Small voice.
So don't need any mic.
So guys, so let's check it out, guys. That's the thing of getting try na, guys. Cutie is that. What's that saying, Cutie? This is video. Yeah, correct na. So guys, I'll put them para rin sila. Yes, then again,
Hello,
mic testing, so already done. Guys, I'm ready to sing. It's a karaoke time. It's a singing time. And that's all for today's video. And thank you for watching from the Yan Studio.